Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start with admin access and saved work because the reset will restart your PC. That prevents data loss. Next, open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then Status. This is where Windows centralizes network controls. Once there, scroll to Network Reset and click it. You'll see Windows list all network adapters and apps that will need reinstallation. Make sure you understand that drivers and VPN clients may be removed, since Windows reinstalls default adapters to restore a clean state. You now click Reset Now and confirm. Windows schedules an immediate restart, so be prepared. Once done, Windows reinstalls the built-in network drivers and removes custom settings. That's why your Wi-Fi passwords and VPN clients disappear. After the reboot, sign in and open Device Manager to confirm Ethernet and Wi-Fi adapters are present and functioning. If drivers are missing, use Windows Update or the vendor site to reinstall. Make sure to reconnect to Wi-Fi with your credentials and reconfigure VPN or static IPs if used. You finish by restoring any removed network software and custom settings, reinstall VPNs, reapply static IPs, and reconfigure firewall rules. If you still lack connectivity, run the built-in network troubleshooter and verify physical connections and correct SSID and password. Once done, try ipconfig/release then /renew to refresh DHCP, and run netch winsock reset followed by a restart to clear socket issues. These commands address lingering stack problems. If issues persist, check adapter drivers or consult the device.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.